Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vase here and today we are going to unbox the Oppo F11. So here is the box F11, the side and the back. Here we have some of its specification. So it has a 48 megapixel rear camera, 4020 mAh battery, a 6.5 inch Full HD plus screen. It supports hyper boost. So this is the Fluorite purple model. It has 4 GB of RAM and a 64 GB of storage. So let me open the box. Let's unbox it. So here we have the manual inside this box. Let me open it. Here we have the SIM ejection tool, some user manuals and the black plastic cover for its protection. Here are the manuals. So here is the F11 itself. Here you can see shining, and here is the beautiful purple black. Let me power it on. Here it is, Oppo, powered by Android, and we have our fast charger, USB to micro USB cable, and your usual 3.5mm headphone. So it's starting up. Select the language. I'm just going to fast forward it. Okay, it is a beautiful 6.5 inch Full HD screen. Let me open the camera. So here is the the back camera, as you can see, and here is the front camera. So unlike the F11 Pro, it does not have a pop-up camera. So anyways guys, this was a quick unboxing of the Oppo F11 Fluorite purple model. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I am going to make further unboxing videos as well.